few days ago, OpenAI introduced a new image generation inside of 4.0. The model is absolutely mind-blowing. It will enable anyone with a creative passion to become a true artist. Now let's take a closer look at it. The main breakthrough is that it's able to render text consistently, something that a lot of other models struggle with up to date. For example, in this case, we can see that it's prompted to generate a Korean cuisine menu. We can see that it absolutely nails the dollar signs, the numbers, and the description of the dishes, while still being able to maintain an absolutely beautiful aesthetic look of the menu. Another significant improvement is that the image generation is now native to GPT 4.0, which means that you can refine images through natural conversations. So let's take a look at what it's able to do. For example, at first, we're asking it to create a cute minimalistic raccoon eating a strawberry, which nails this task completely. Now we're asking it to try a different style and a gray raccoon, and it's able to do that once more while keeping the raccoon the same. And last but not least, we're asking it to add some chew marks, and once again, it's able to keep the image consistent and add the chew marks, just like we wanted. Not less impressive is its ability to follow the instructions. While other models struggle with objects from anything 5 to 8 objects, GPT 4.0 is able to handle up to 10, maybe even 20 different objects at the same time. For example, here we prompted it a whole list of objects, and on the following image, we can see it output 16 images just in the way we wanted it to. Now GPT 4.0 can analyze and learn from the images you upload. For example, on the following one, we see how it was multiple pictures were uploaded. The model learned. We prompted it to design a vehicle with triangular wheels and put in some text, triangular wheel vehicle English patent. And we can see that it absolutely nailed the task. We can see that the style was perfectly replicated, and we can see once again a consistent generation of text. Its world knowledge is not less impressive than its text rendering capabilities. Here we can see how we're asking it to make a very colorful risograph on how to make matcha, and it's able to do that perfectly. Here we can see how to make matcha, sift, add water, whisk, enjoy. While this model is great, there are still some limitations, so let's cover just that. What's often noticed is that when you ask it to generate longer posters, sometimes it will crop down the image either from up or from down. Of course, we have the hallucination issue, but that's basically every single model we have up to date. We have the height bending problem. While it's better than its competitors in keeping multiple objects on the frame, when it comes to generating very complex, object-heavy images, like, for example, in this case, the periodic table, the model starts to struggle. It's not really good with the precise graphing. While its multilingual text rendering is impressive, sometimes it struggles with non-Latin languages, like, for example, Korean in this case, but that's something they will work on, and we can see further improvements in the future. Its editing precision wishes to be better, but you know what? We can't have everything at once, just one step at a time. And this time, I can tell you what, they made more than one step. So here, for example, we can see that it's prompted to draw steps of how to draw a puppy. And while it looks good at first sight, when you really dive deep, step 1, step 2, and step 3, the step 2 and step 3 are reversed. When we ask it to fix it, we can see that it continues to mess it up. And that's one of the main weaknesses of this model, is that when it comes to editing a specific part of the image, it struggles. And, of course, pretty expected, if you're asking it to render a detailed information on a very small size, it's going to struggle. Like, for example, in this case, once again, while we can see that a lot of things are still readable, we can see how once again we're having this blurry look that we have in most of the models these days. With that being said, it does not make this model less of an impressive one. Anyone from free to pro user can access it now, so go and check it out. Leave a comment on what you think. I truly appreciate any feedback on this video, as I'm trying to deliver the best content I possibly can.
It was Christian here. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, comment, and follow this channel to stay up to date with the AI world. See you in the next one.